Morning, truck buddies. Airborne trucker checking in at exit 199. Mile run, no services. It's Friday. Supposed to be going home. Ha! Yeah, right. So, broke down in Pennsylvania. I-80 westbound, going to Ohio. Was crushing it this week. Crushing it. Was at $4,100 to the truck. On this load here, this would have been about $4,700. All right. Things happen in trucking that are out of your control, i.e. breakdowns. All right. So this is my first major breakdown with TMC. This is the first time I actually been on the side of the road and couldn't do anything about it. The last couple of times I've been able to, limp into the shop and get repaired. But not this time. Not this time. I'm driving yesterday. The gauge is heating up on my axles. Like, okay, whatever. Keep an eye on it, but they went down. Did the same thing this morning. Checking it out, keeping an eye on it. Coming down the hill, broken drive shaft. Broken drive shaft. So, not sure how long it's gonna take for them to get out here. Got a load to the max. Still waiting on breakdown to reply back. Ask me, how did this happen? God, I'm just driving, just driving, minding my own business, Hey, it is what it is. It's trucking. So, needless to say, we'll probably spend a night somewhere in Pennsylvania. All right. First thing you do when you break down, make sure you put out your doggone triangles, which I forgot to do like the first 10 minutes. Make sure you put your triangles out. All right. We have no cell phone reception, so I'm making this video now and I'll post it later this evening or whenever the heck I get in or wherever we stop at. But it's trucking, so side of the road, broken down, waiting on repair, waiting on a tow, whatever you want to call it. Just waiting. That's my wife. Yep, just waiting. Was crushing it. Really crushing it. Really crushing it. But nothing to do about it. Breakdowns happen. Like I said, we started off good week. I mean, I don't think we're going to make it home anyway, but hey, you got to get the money while it's out there. Try to get home. Wasn't going to make it. We just stayed out just to see if we're going to deliver around this afternoon and see if our next load is going to take us to the house or take us towards the house, but I won't know now. Airborne trucker signing out. Make sure we see your buddy stuck on the side of the road. Get the frick over. All right. Catch you on the next one.